Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one project. It is from Google. It is called Sunroof project, Google Sunroof. So here you can find out the estimated savings you can generate from solar from Google Earth imagery. You can search for your home using your PIN code or zip code. Then you can personalize your solar analysis. You can adjust your electric bill to fine tune your savings. So what it will do is that it will find out the potential sunlight that is available for your house, and you can compare the various finance options. So this is how it shows. It shows a particular address, and it will show you the amount of hours of usable sunlight that is available per year. And based on the 3D modeling of the roof and nearby trees, it will show you the total square feet that is available for a solar panel, and it will also give you a total estimated savings for the next 20 years. So I'll show you how it works. You need a US address for this. So let me take one of these address. So let me take Bowling Green, New York address. I'm just putting it here. Now you can see after I put this here, I can check my roof. So it is going to that area. Now if you see, now if I want to check for some of the buildings here, let's say I take this building, I just click on this building and see the estimate. Now I can see all the analysis that I need. It's showing 1349 hours of usable sunlight per year is available based on day-to-day analysis of weather patterns. 21,935 square feet is available for solar panels for this building. So it's saying around $16,000 in savings can be generated in the next 20 years. So you have other analysis also. Your average monthly electric bill, let's say it is around $500. So your recommended solar installation size would be around 25 kilowatt. So your potential environmental impact also can be seen here. So how to finance your solar panels is also mentioned here. If it makes sense to pay an upfront cost, these are the 20 years estimates. So show you daily detailed estimates for this. So once it's done, you can search for solar providers, and these are also available as APIs that you can use in various projects. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.